Alright, YouTube. Sorry if I'm a little tired and out of wind here. I just been cleaning up my garage with my help of my brother. It's been pretty awesome. The Vulcan is cleaned almost 100%. I almost have a walkway to get her out of the garage. Big win over the last time I had her. And on top of that, the battery is working. I can fire up here in a second. So I bought this over at Cycle Gear. It is a battery restorer, recovery. Sometimes when your battery has the cells on the lead acid batteries a little messed up, the trickle charger will say it's full, but even though it's not full, so your lights will come on but it won't crank over. And I had to put it on there for about 4 hours. Sorry, I had to walk around the handlebar. Had to put it around there for 4 hours. And here we go. She fires up. She's alive. Chugging along like she's supposed to on the first thing. So everything's good to go. I'm going to be on this motor. I'll be riding again pretty soon. Pretty stoked about it. Anyway, I'm going to finish cleaning up the garage and I'm done. Thanks for watching.